Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G and E, and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first of all, you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Tap here right now, and as can you see, your ringtone volume is set up. To turn it off, just swipe with your finger to the left side, and as can you see, your silent mode is on. You can make that by the second way. Just press here with your finger on the volume button, and you'll see here the three dots icon. Just swipe down with your finger, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.